Sashiburi guys, what is happening? Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. It's been quite some time we haven't made any videos on smartwatches, right? So thing is, these days we are not getting anything new in the smartwatch field, guys. I mean, there is nothing innovative to talk about, no special features, and that is the reason I have reduced covering all the models that are launching in the market. Only new outer exterior look is changing, but inside all the features are remaining same. But today I got my hands on something very interesting, guys. A brand new model from Amazfit. This is their T-Rex 3, and in fact I've been using this smartwatch for almost like 20-25 days, and I'm gonna share my in-depth experience on this smartwatch, guys. There is a lot to talk about it, and this is like a killer rugged watch is what I can say, guys. Fully loaded with features. So before we actually talk about all of that, right, remember just last week I made a video on PC build, 40k PC build. In that I told you about a special giveaway, right? Like if you got like 1000 likes, I would give like a wireless keyboard and mouse combo set from Zebronics to a lucky winner. In fact, within 1 week only we hit the goal. We almost got like 1500-1600 likes, and it's about time we select a winner. So what I've done is randomly from the comment section, and let me tell you, we got almost like 400 plus comments in that video, and I've picked like randomly 10 names, guys, from the comment section only. Let me just quickly show you what I've picked. Just like this, I've written down 10 names that I've randomly selected from the video, and now we're gonna do like a lucky lottery system. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to see who the winner is going to be. Let's get started. A little more shaking here and there. Is it okay? Most randomest winner selection idea, I would say. Okay, now I'm also not gonna see what chit I'll be picking, so I'm also not sure. Okay, I think I got one. Okay, so guys, this is the winner. What's the name? So the winner is Amar Kotgale 2993. So congratulations, you have been selected as the winner for that wireless keyboard and combo. I'll be updating the same thing in the video as well, declaring this is a winner. So all you need to do is just contact me on mail. I mean this person, not everybody. You'll have to contact me on mail, or you can even contact me on Instagram as well and share your details for verification purpose. And once that is done, right, you will receive your brand new keyboard and mouse combo at your place. So once again, congratulations. Just like this, guys, I'm planning more giveaways as well for other people, other subscribers as well on our channel. So definitely make sure to keep watching my videos. You never know who could be the winner. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. So our brand new Amazfit smartwatch, the T-Rex 3, came in this sort of packaging. Very simple packaging. You just have the picture of the product on the front, Amazfit T-Rex 3 branding everywhere, and that is pretty much it. Going to the backside, here you can check out some of its details. We'll anyhow talk about all of its smart features in the video, but main highlight would be is, I've told you, right, this is a super rugged and durable outdoor sport activity smartwatch, and hence it is also military standard rated. Keeping that aside, the smartwatch is available in like 2 different colors. Today in the home we have the Onyx Black Edition. As soon as you open it, there you go, boys, our brand new T-Rex 3 smartwatch in the hand, and oh wow, look at that baby. Keeping that aside, you're also getting a user manual. Quite a thick book, right? Just make sure to read that. And you're also getting some accessories which include a strap replacement tool. In case if you want to replace the strap on it, very easily you can do that using these tools. And lastly, you're also getting a USB-C magnetic dock for charging the watch. Unfortunately, there is no Type-C cable. Amazfit is going a bit eco-friendly, guys. You'll have to use your existing cable in your home. So that's it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Let me give you a closer look at the smartwatch and start off with the design and build quality. And initial impressions, I have to say, guys, that is one beautiful looking smartwatch. I mean, look at the size of this thing. Definitely has that T-Rex signature design over here, macho look and feel. Starting off from the display, on board you're getting a 1.5 inches AMOLED display, that too with like 480 by 480 resolution. And look at this bezel over here. Good build quality, I would say. This entire bezel is made of stainless steel, while the rest of the body is made of like a polycarbonate material. But you do have like metal elements here and there. I mean, look at this hook on the right side with the Amazfit logo. Talking about the buttons, totally you're getting 4 buttons, up and down menu navigation buttons on the left to profile, and select and back buttons on the right profile, and quality of the buttons is also nice, feels tactile and clicky. And not to miss out, I've told you right, this is a super rugged and durable smartwatch. So the entire watch is like military standard 810G certified and is also 10 atmospheres water resistant, plus is also diver certified as well. We'll talk about all of those features once we get started with the review. Going to the back side, here's how the bottom profile looks like. You're getting a new BioTracker PPG biometric sensor for all your health related measurements like 24/7 HR, SpO2, stress level measurements, sleep tracking, and plenty of other stuff. At the top side, you're also getting some gold contacts, basically for your magnetic dock for charging. And talking about the straps, quality of the straps is also nice, and good thing is straps are also replaceable in case if you want to replace this 22mm silicone straps, maybe with like a leather strap or something like that. Totally up to you. What I'll do is I'll quickly set up the watch, use it for some time, and then be right back to continue the video. So that was our quick unboxing part. Now first of all, let me give you a closer look at the smartwatch and talk about the comfort and the in-hand feel. Initial impressions, as I've shown you during the unboxing itself, watch has a beautiful looking design, and I really love that macho profile that Amazfit offers on their T-Rex smartwatches. And people usually think that these smartwatches might be quite heavy and might not be suitable for their tiny wrists or tiny hands, but let me tell you, even my wrist is also not that big, guys, but definitely looks quite nice. I really love the way it looks, guys. And talking about the weight, the watch is roughly around like 68.9 grams, and I'm telling you right, once you get used to it, like wear it for like 1 or 2 days and you'll definitely feel it quite comfortable, nothing to worry about. So first of all, let me give you like a closer look at the display and talk about that, because display is like the main highlight on this smartwatch. T-Rex 3 comes with a 1.5 inches AMOLED display, and that too with a 480 by 480 resolution, roughly around 330 ppi. And I'm telling you right, this is one heck of a beautiful looking display. There is good amount of detail at this 1.5 inches. No matter what watch face or any sort of app you open, right, crisp and clear text, everything is like very easily readable. And talking about the contrast, obviously it's an AMOLED display, near to infinite contrast ratio and true black levels you can expect. And colors were also nice. Everything just pops on this display, guys. Very beautiful looking colors, especially on the watch faces. Brightness of the panel can easily go up to like 1800 to 2000 nits, and I had no issues checking out the display even in like bright outdoor situations. And good thing is the watch also has like ambient light sensor on board, so supports auto brightness as well, automatically adjust the brightness depending on your outdoor ambience. So on the overall, I'm telling you right, you'll be like very happy and satisfied with the display that you're getting on this smartwatch. So what I'll do is I'll give you a closer look at the home screen and talk about the built-in apps, features, and also the UI experience as well. Amazfit's brand new T-Rex 3 runs on ZepOS version 4.0 and supports multiple number of apps and features. First of all, have a look at the home screen, guys. The watch comes with some beautiful watch faces, and that too customizable ones. On board, you're getting around like 7 to 8 pre-installed watch faces from the factory. But apart from this, yes, obviously you can download multiple number of cloud-based watch faces from Zep app on your phone. But let me tell you, not all of them are free to download. Almost like 30 to 40% of the premium watch faces are paid to download, guys, roughly costing around like 100 rupees to 200 rupees. So this is something you'll have to keep in mind. Swiping down on the home screen gives you access to your quick toggle section. Here you'll find plenty of toggles and quick access shortcuts, and good thing is it is fully customizable using the Zep app on your phone. Almost all your shortcuts are available over here, plus also shows you your Bluetooth phone connectivity status as well. Swiping up on the home screen gives you access to your widgets, and first thing you'll notice is you're also getting their Zep Flow AI assistant. Now this is like an offline AI voice assistant, because the watch also has like a built-in microphone, right, and you can literally ask it to control a lot of things. Say for example, you want to increase the brightness of the display, right, simply ask Zep Flow and that's it, it'll automatically increase the brightness. Or maybe you want to turn off Bluetooth or maybe enable battery saving mode, something like that. Ask the voice assistant, it'll get your job done, and that too quite conveniently. Going down, you got plenty of widgets and recommendations, and as I've told you, even the widgets are also customizable as per your requirements from the compatible app on your phone. Swiping right on the home screen gives you access to your notifications area. Here you can check out all your recent SMS or app notifications, whichever you've got on your smartphone. Again, for this obviously you'll need to be connected to your phone via Bluetooth. Now swiping left on the home screen gives you access to all the apps that are present on the smartwatch, and I'm telling you right, the number of apps that you're getting on the smartwatch is like crazy. So before we go there, let me also tell you about the button quality. You're getting 4 buttons on the smartwatch, and good thing is since it is a rugged smartwatch, right, I'm pretty sure a lot of people might be using it for sport activity, and especially if you're like a swimmer or diver, in those sort of situations touchscreen doesn't work, right? So for you people, you can even control and navigate the whole UI on the watch using these 4 physical buttons. So for that sort of scenario, this is like super useful. Not to miss out, the display is also like Gorilla Glass protected, right? Though I would have really appreciated if Amazfit could have given sapphire glass for this price point, but okay, Gorilla Glass is better than nothing. So let's quickly check out all the built-in apps and features. Starting off, you got your workout section. From here you can access all your sport related activities, and let me tell you, the T-Rex 3 supports almost like 177 different sport activities plus auto sport detection for almost like 25 to 30 different activities. You're getting your walking, running, outdoor cycling, strength training also. In strength training, again, it's like a different category. The watch can track multiple number of things, guys, not just your basic stuff like 24/7 HR, blood oxygen, SpO2, or maybe like stress level thing. But apart from this, it is also capable of measuring your VO2 max, capacity, cadence levels as well. And there's a whole list of information it can keep a track on. Not to forget, watch also has like built-in dual band GPS along with 6 satellite positioning system, right? So people who want to do like outdoor activities, maybe like running or maybe like trekking on mountains, right? For you people, the watch is capable of precisely tracking the location along with the full map details. I mean, look at this small recent activity over here. You'll get like a precise data information, and I'm telling you, right, GPS performance is also very good. As soon as you start the activity, within 10 to 15 seconds once you step out, right, the watch was locking in the GPS and was quite accurately measuring the whole location. T-Rex 3 also has support for offline map along with turn by turn navigation as well. But for this, you'll have to like offlinely load the map data. Say for example, I live in Hyderabad, right? So I'll have to download the whole Hyderabad map location data manually using the app onto my watch, and after that I'll be able to offlinely use these maps even for like turn by turn navigation. And it was doing a pretty good job, guys, especially if you're like a fitness freak or outdoor sport activity or enthusiast, right? For you people, this would be like a great partner is what I can say. Anyways, moving on to the health related features, the watch has A to Z health related tracking features, guys, like 24/7 HR monitoring, stress level measurement is also there, blood oxygen, SpO2, and sleep quality measurement as well. You're getting a premium quality BioTracker PPG biometric sensor at the backside, right? And I've been testing all of these features for quite some time and was getting like pretty accurate results, guys. Almost like 90-95% accurate results is what I can say. So moving on, you got plenty of other features like built-in compass is also there, and yes, you're also getting a barometer included as well that even shows you like air pressure and the current altitude you're at, and also Bluetooth music control. So using this app, you can remotely control the music that is being played on your phone from the watch itself, guys. No need to take out the phone from the pocket. Now some of you people might ask, can we play music directly on the watch? No, unfortunately that support is not there because the watch doesn't have a speaker, right? It only has a built-in microphone. I really wish, Amazfit could have given a built-in speaker so we could directly use it for like Bluetooth calls or maybe like music playing purpose, but unfortunately that is not there. But the watch does have like built-in 25 to 26 GB for music storage. Good thing is it has Bluetooth connectivity, right? You can literally directly connect your headphones or any TWS to the watch itself and directly listen to all your favorite songs by storing them offlinely on the smartwatch. You can store so many of your songs, guys, almost like 25-26 GB, right? Nothing to worry about. It only supports MP3 files though. Apart from that, you've got all your regular smartwatch features like alarms, timer function, calculator, all of these are there, including stopwatch as well. And apart from this, good thing is the T-Rex also supports like a dedicated app store as well. So once you open the Zep app on your phone, right, from there you can download multiple number of apps. Maybe you want like a turn-by-turn navigation for your Google Maps, right? You can download that plugin and get all the information directly on the watch. No need to check your phone. A couple of apps and features I really found useful were thermometer and also voice memo recording is also there because it has like a built-in microphone, right? You can record any sort of audio on the smartwatch. And thermometer is also there. So basically using this sensor only, it is capable of measuring your skin contact temperature. So that is also quite nice. Okay, I know the next big question a lot of people are going to ask is whether the watch supports Bluetooth calling. But unfortunately, Amazfit T-Rex 3 does not support Bluetooth calling feature because you're not getting a built-in speaker. You only have like a built-in microphone which is used for like offline voice commands and also for like voice recording purpose. It only supports like call notifications or like SMS and app notifications. It is only capable of showing like the name or number of the person calling, and from there you can reject the call or answer the call. You'll have to answer it from your phone only, guys. And apart from that, if you talk about the app or maybe like SMS notification, yes, that support is there, but again there is no option to reply to that from the smartwatch. You do have like quick reply feature, like for example, if you want to reply to some sort of message or text, right, you're getting some quick reply options which you can even customize from the app, and that only you can send. There is no keyboard option over here to write something on the smartwatch and send it to that person. So this is something you'll have to keep in mind. We're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the battery life. The watch comes with a 700 milliampere battery on board, and battery life is really good on this model. So on a typical moderate sort of usage with the display brightness set to auto brightness mode, or maybe around like 40-45%, doing your day-to-day related stuff, checking out some of its apps and features, and also rarely connected to your phone via Bluetooth for like SMS or app notifications, and also doing a bit of outdoor activities with a little bit of GPS usage, maybe for like 25 to 30 minutes every day, right? You can easily get around like 20 to 22 days of battery life on a single charge. But if you're like a heavy user, maybe you're like a fitness freak or sport enthusiast, and you're using that GPS feature a lot for outdoor tracking, then you can roughly expect around like 12 to 13 days of battery life per charge, guys. And let me tell you, in the last 20-25 days, I have charged this smartwatch only once, got my entire months of usage covered, guys. Like pretty awesome, I would say. Well, that's it, boys. Time to wrap it up our video on Amazfit's all new T-Rex 3 smartwatch. If you're especially looking for an outdoor activity sports smartwatch, right, with built-in GPS and maps navigation, then this might definitely fit your need. Not to miss out, you're also getting a beautiful 1.5 inches AMOLED display with great resolution and detail, right? You'll be like very happy and satisfied with the results. And not to miss out, there's like a never-ending list of apps and features on board. Only thing I was really missing on this model is no Bluetooth calling support, and also no option to reply to all your app messages or SMS notifications, guys. But apart from that, everything else was fine. The smartwatch roughly costs around like 20,000 rupees in the Indian market. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. If you all enjoyed watching the video and got all the information you were looking for, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.